Hi, my name is Christina with DomesticFelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about making custom baby decor. This can be tons of fun, but it can also be overwhelming. A great source of information and ideas are the tons of internet websites out there to go ahead and browse through and find a style that fits you and something that you think is doable. And then you can look for lots of ideas, things like taking a favorite puzzle, gluing it together and framing it, and then mounting it as wall art. It's a great, easy way to personalize your baby's room with custom decor. If you're crafty and like to sew, you can sew your own activity book, and you can even stitch your child's name on it and have various activities inside the book to do. You could also use books to decorate. This is a great way to personalize and customize your baby's room without too much effort. You can take a favorite book and create a few pieces of wall art that all coordinate together from your favorite book and mount them up on the wall. This provides lots of color and interest at a really low price. My name's Christina, and today we talked about how to make custom baby room decor. Thank you so much for watching.